What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. Little here from The View, and today I am back in beautiful Bellevue, checking out two of the most entertaining places here in the Bellevue area. I am talking about the Forum Social House. So many things to do in there: miniature golf, games, food, drinks, you can't beat it. And of course, Lucky Strike. If you've never been, you definitely want to stay and check out this video because it's going to be a good time. Stay tuned. Now today I am not by myself. I actually brought my family with me. My two little sisters, my little brother, and my mom and my dad came with me. They have been asking to check out the Forum. My little brother loves to play mini golf. Both my little sisters, really, they just like to be out and about and have a good time. So I thought, what better day to bring them with me out to these two places. There's unlimited things to do, from arcade games to bowling to mini golf, or just sitting down having some good food and just enjoying each other's company. So they are here with me today, and we're definitely going to enjoy today, and I hope you enjoy it as well. And that is going to do it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that you did enjoy it. Myself and my family, we had such a blast today at Lucky Strike in the Forum. Played so many games, got some great food, and just got a chance to hang out and just be around one another. That's exactly what you do at Lucky Strike in the Forum, and I hope you guys get a chance to do the same when you do visit. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.